Hi guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan, and today is the absolute treat for all photography and flagship smartphone fans. And today I bring something special, and this is the brand new OPPO Find X9 Ultra Hasselblad Explorer photograph kit. And this is the ultimate professional photography centric bundle for mobile shooting and to the artist. In the next content, I'm going to do a full unboxing, and I will break down the phone's stunning design, core specification, and standout features. Then I will also put in a camera system to test with the basic shooting skills and the exclusive 300mm Hasselblad telephoto converter lens. So next, let's unbox it. Okay, first about the package. OPPO went all out on the presentation for this Hasselblad Explorer kit. And this is a larger premium matte gift box with a sleek gold branding and minimalist line design. Every part of the box feels sturdy and deliberate. So first, they provide a Hasselblad Explorer kit poster. It's like a photo shooting from space, and also they provide a commemorative edition number for this special edition. So after we lift up cover slowly and show the inner layer packaging, close up of the co-branded OPPO Hasselblad logo on the box. Okay, we can check the OPPO has crafted a fully premium minimalist gift style box for this Hasselblad Explorer photograph kit. And okay, we can check the accessory box one by one. So they have 1, 2, 3 accessory box, and also to provide a card for the Teleconverter lens, and also quick guide, a warranty card, and also this is the OPPO Find X9 Ultra smartphone box. And this time for the OPPO Find X9 Ultra. It's the exclusive AC green color, only available with this Hasselblad photograph kit. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, still we have another box under the smartphone, and also another accessory box. I think this is Hasselblad customized photography handle protective case. It's not ordinary protective case. Okay, so the inside the big bundle box, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in total, well, we have 6 boxes inside the big photograph kit box. Yes. So next, let's check it one by one. Take out every item and choose them in details. And besides the main phone box, safely inbuilt in customer phone, and all exclusive and standard accessories are all placed in independent component below. So for ceramic unboxing experience, so first, let's check the smartphone. Well, another hard paper from OPPO, and it shows the philosophy and the reasons they worked with Hasselblad, and this is smartphone. Yes, and underneath the smartphone we can find the charger, cable, and also another accessory box inside the smartphone box. And this also have a gift card paper, use manual, and also the gift card, membership card, and also this is a silicone gel normal case for the smartphone, and this is the charger, 100-watt charger. Okay, and this is a Type-C to USB-A cable, included. It's a SIM card ejector. And for today's highlight, okay. Whoa, it's the smartphone. Yes. Take it out from the smartphone protector. Whoa, so this is the OPPO X9 Ultra exclusive AC grey color. Okay, its back cover adopted new generation AG frosted glass process, which is non-glare, fingerprint resistant, extreme comfort to hold, with low key and advanced texture that fit outdoor exploration. So this is the smartphone, and let's put it aside. And then, okay, the Hasselblad professional photography handle case. Yes, this is the not like the case in the smartphone box. And this one adopts ergonomic one-hand grip design with a no-slip mat handle on the side. So this is greatly improves the stability of the handle shooting and effective reduce the camera shake. And also it's equipped with a dedicated physical Hasselblad shot button on the hand, and also to provide the, I think it's a backpack sling strap. Yes, this can lock it with the case, and also to provide a, okay, I think this is a bag. Yes, this is a high quality storage bag to protect the, I think it's to protect the lens, the teleconverter lens. And also this is the accessory, another accessory box. Okay. Whoa, nice. So this is the accessories for the teleconverter. And this time for the professional 300mm Hasselblad telephoto converter lens is jointly developed and calibrated by OPPO and Hasselblad. It's the high transmittance and low distortion optical glass with professional coating. Besides the portable storage bag to protect the lens during the outdoor travel, it also provides soft microfiber clean clothes to keep the lens clean, and also dedicated adapter ring that fit perfectly with the photography handle case, ensuring stable and wobble-free shooting. Every accessory in this case is detailed for mobile photography enthusiasts, bring a professional level shooting experience. And they can find now this is the 300mm telephoto lens. We can remove the cover, and this is for the barcode, is for to lock it. 300mm Hasselblad logo. Nice. These are the rings, adapter rings to ensure stable and wobble-free shooting. Lots of, yes. I will show you how to use it later. And we check it. Whoa. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 4. Nice. Okay, this is all stuff inside. And let's take a close look at it, and then I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, backpack, sling strap, portable lens bag, the 300mm lens, customized case, also the lock rings. and adapter rings, and this cover and a protector for the lens. So this is for the handhold, adapter rings for shooting. Nice. Okay, so this is a smartphone. Okay, next let's put on the Hasselblad professional photography handle case. And for this case, it's an ergonomic one-hand grip design with a non-slip metal handle on the side. So yes, we can put on the case, install it. Okay, it's tightly, so a bit not easy to put it inside the phone. Okay, put the phone inside the case. So now we install the phone case. This is the Hasselblad shutter button. So this allows you to take photos like professional digital camera, make it easy to capture moment. And this case has a precise cutout for the camera module, charging port and speaker and buttons. It also provide a comprehensive anti-drop protection for the phone. It's combining practically the professional shooting needs. And then we can have a simple testing of the camera. This time they use the real camera system. The main one 200 megapixel Sony LYT 901, 1.12 aperture, 7P OIS supported 2-axis, 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, and 200 megapixel 3x telephoto portrait camera, and 10x periscope telephoto 550 megapixel f3.5, front camera 50 megapixel Genome 5. And now I'm going to show you how to install the Hasselblad 300mm telephoto converter. Remove two cover at the bottom and the upside of the lens, and lock it to the case adapter ring. Then open the camera and find the Teleconverter mode of Hasselblad converter mode, and then we use OPPO Hasselblad professional teleconverter, and then okay, we are in the teleconverter mode, and we can take a test. Okay, we can also switch from the normal mode and the teleconverter mode, and then we have a very simple test, so you enjoy it.